What's up, my neighbors? I'm so excited today because last night I finally resoldered all the components, and guess what? I was able to shove it all into this tiny case. It was tight, but I got it done. Now, the best thing about this tool is that it still functions as a regular flashlight. You see? I can turn it on, I can dim it, I can put it on flashing mode, and plus now it has the ability to sense alternating current signals through here. The only question is that if it's sensitive enough to pick up an ABS sensor signal, as what I originally intended. The great thing about this tool, which about this making it this way, is that basically it's a regular flashlight. And second of all, I can wear this on my head. I can wear this thing over my head just like a regular headlamp, and put the probes into the ABS sensor plugs and rotate the wheels, and then I can actually visually see, because the light will flash, I can see that whether or not the ABS sensor is working correctly, and that's great. The next thing left to do now is, well, I have to go out to my car and test this out. My car, there's an easy spot to locate the ABS sensor socket. It's just in the front where the strut is. But unfortunately, it's not in a position right now. That car doesn't have battery. It's not actually running right now. And I'd have to, it's in a tight spot in the garage. So I was thinking I might take a trip to the junkyard and try it on one of those cars, because I wouldn't have to jack up any of the cars there. I would just have to bring maybe a big wrench to spin the rotors that they're on. So that would be a good trip. I'm just so excited to be able to test this. I think this is such a great tool, and everything, well, most of it turned out the way I planned. So I don't know, that's it. Just a quick update. So if you're excited as I am, please give this video a like, and please consider subscribing. Thank you. Have a good day.